Hi everyone, today marks the start of an exciting journey as I'm traveling from Mysore to Hyderabad as I've been invited by Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad for a 2-day workshop on Cloud and DevOps. On the way to the airport, I couldn't help but feel a rush of excitement. After reaching the airport, I had some time to relax and grabbed a quick bite at Starbucks, a delicious cheese bagel and a refreshing shake. So this video is all about capturing the joy, moments and experience leading up to the workshop. Walking into the aircraft, I couldn't help but feel a wave of excitement for the journey ahead. There's something special about morning flights. The fresh energy, the quiet buzz inside the cabin, and the soft golden light pouring through the window. As I settled into my seat, I glanced outside. Bangalore city was just waking up and the sun slowly rising above the horizon. As the flight soared into the sky, the view from the window was simply breathtaking. Bangalore city looked peaceful in the soft morning light, and I could even see the sun gently rising above the horizon. Moments like these, up in the clouds with a new day unfolding, make every journey feel magical. After a smooth flight, I finally landed in Hyderabad. My friend Puneet was already waiting to pick me up. It was great to see a familiar face. We headed straight for breakfast at Crunchy Cafe, a cozy spot with some delicious local flavors. The perfect start to the entire day. After that, I made my way to the college guest house, a calm and peaceful place. It's time to rest a bit, recharge, and gear up for the exciting 2-day workshop ahead. In the evening, we went out to explore a little bit of Hyderabad. Our first stop was Birla Mandir. The temple is built on a small hill called Naubat Pahat, and it's made completely out of white marble. So I could not capture the temple in this video because it was strictly prohibited. It took almost 10 years to build this beautiful place. Standing there, you get an amazing view of the whole city, and the peaceful atmosphere makes it perfect spot to relax and reflect. After spending some time at the temple, we went to Birla Planetarium, which is right nearby. It's one of the first modern planetariums in India, opened in 1985. So inside this, you can see shows about stars, planets, space. It's like a small journey through the universe. It was a really fun and refreshing evening. I would say it's a perfect mix of peace, learning, and new experience. After visiting Birla Mandir and Planetarium, we decided to take a drive around High-Tech City. The place was full of energy, tall buildings, colorful lights, and busy streets. It was amazing to see how modern and lively the city looked at night. Driving through High-Tech City gave me a real sense of how fast Hyderabad is growing. Before wrapping up the day, we made a quick stop at Neelafur Cafe, one of the most famous places for chai in Hyderabad. I tried their special chai along with a soft buttery muska bun, and it was just perfect after a long day. I also got a chance to meet the founder of the cafe and take his blessings. It was really special moment and a beautiful way to end the day with good food, good people, and a lots of positive vibes. The next day, we officially started the event at Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. The workshop ran for 2 full days, and it was a hands-on session with over 50 participants joining in. Everyone was so energetic and eager to learn. The feedback at the end was truly heartwarming. The closing ceremony, I was honored and felicitated by the college dean and the head of IT department. It was a really proud moment and an emotional moment for me as well. After 2 amazing days of learning, sharing, and connecting, it was finally time to head back home, carrying a lot of memories and gratitude with me. Thank you. Until next time, this is Yashwant signing off.